Hey there, Alex Helton here with the Helton Real Estate Group, and in this video, we're going over three things. One is what happened in the market in August compared to August last year. Second thing is how has the market been year to date compared to last year? We didn't have a pandemic last year. We did this year. What's the difference? Third thing is we'll look at current inventory. Depending on just how many homes sell typically on a monthly basis and how many homes are currently for sale, that tells us months of inventory. And so that to me is the best indicator, not of what has happened in the past month or however long, but what is likely to show up in the next 30 to 60, 90 days. So we'll go over that. For those that don't want to go in great detail, the summary is this. Transactions wise in Davidson-Williamson County, we're basically where we were last year. Prices in both areas are up anywhere from 5 to 10%. And the months of inventory is below 6. That's kind of our benchmark number. When months of inventory is above, prices are going down. When months of inventory is below 6, prices are going up. And in all price ranges in Davidson-Williamson County, we're below 6. Most areas are well below 6. So it's going to take it's going to take a lot of movement in the market before prices begin to go down, if that happens. So not that I expect it, but that is what would need to happen for prices to go down. For those that want more detail, let's go ahead and look through it. So looking at August, Davidson, again, just August compared to August 2019, closings are slightly down about 4% and prices are up 7%. In Davidson, you got transactions are up about 10% and prices are up, median price rather is up around 12%. So what about year to date? This is amazing to me. In Williamson County, it's almost exactly the same as 2019 at this point. This was not the case when we hit, May, where it was the beginning of the pandemic. But then there seemed to be this pent-up demand, and July showed up, record month, and we're all caught up now. So year to date, transactions in Williamson County is just about 1% more than last year. It is down a little bit in Davidson County, about 7.4%. And prices in Davidson are up about 8, Williamson up about 5. Again, those are median. So current inventory, again, we use 6 as our benchmark. Below that, prices are going up. If there's 5 months of inventory, they're going up slowly. If there's 1 month of inventory, they're going to typically go up faster. And in Davidson County, you see all price ranges. This is common that we see this. The higher the price range, typically the more inventory. And so below 5 in Davidson-Williamson, you got well under 2. And then the 500 to $1 million, you're under 3 in Davidson, 1.5, call it 1.27 in Williamson. And then still under 6 in the $1 million and up price range in Davidson-Williamson County. So what does that mean? That means that the market in Nashville is really strong. It seems like the low interest rates creates this helps to create the buyer demand. And the other thing seems to be this isn't going to show up for months and months, but what we seem to be experiencing is even more people moving from the from the big cities of Chicago, San Diego, and other California cities, as well as New York. We just seem to be getting more introductions to people that are moving from those areas. It's really interesting. So there you go. There's your market update on August year to date and what the current inventory is. If you find this helpful, please like it. You might want to share it with somebody else that would also find it helpful. And if you want other videos, whether it's about buying or selling or investing or preparing your home to move, or even just common house maintenance items that when neglected can cost a lot of money when you put it on the market. If you have any questions like that, always feel free to reach out. You can call, text, DM, however you're seeing this, simply respond to it and share your questions with us. So appreciate you watching and have a great weekend.